to our concern.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomenteranibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Tariki ya 20 Mutinyo gatano na limo mwaka 2025 ekionga chensainye kuruga igage Tembe TV nkuru kwa Authentic Denis Uhuru asensemo ibimanyiririo igakuru kwa Vena Nyaboke. Ekiongeto guchaka kurua asomochie okisi aseyaba ebirero amariga nabo igoko umata asaba onchiriba marigiti abo asumuriro mube obwatana gusamba kerekemo asechire yobutkubo gukira rero nabo butukini wabwachakire eri kumanyanga nkirikikirira okubwatekana ku muriro yo ase enibo ye milioni yaba egosaliwa
sana abana ba mama abangi baba basacha nabo bale mayiga Keneneke gakinya sati gakonyo ndi bwensi obwato mubango yo gakinya sata muamolembe nere na ntubuna afanyi biashara bechiro nje nayo mawa garenje bintu bya no byarenge yakini mbiye tinto gakonya bike lakini abangi na baito bechi nyeni abangi na baito ba serious omongi no itoko to supply serious at least na are mpaka list abwate stock yesterday 800,000
Finance bire ko yeto tere account mu to gojogwa kurende gadi nkwango to gojogwa ase nyo to igwede ngabone muri weito to kaba shwadi abantu babinda mu igwede inga tare 17 eserikali yeto account njabe geta appeal igoro bole mobo botere ko weito erinde elio amangana uchenzi echikobwati kare abikire budget yabero gukumia asobo tukuwabo ukira lero koboniga gakie serikali yetu achali imekuwa omogavana ito gavana tokosikete tokwanchete ne cabinet yao amuna bapunge bonse bebakisi county nakiyalenge ko babuya obarorenge kakiyabwango nambe yemo mumanyinga obole mobo bali bakukiri mukobo bwabo nabato sambera
Your Excellency, digo toko gusaba ngora konyora abantu turateba gusina gwaza mbanga rongeri nasokie clip gekoro kinga obole muno bwaye ndwa nanga kero twa jeda swansuri office ndwa ragati gute map of this market mune boundary ya itoye market yengana togo sabaiga the governor Simbarat amona ba MCA bao n'abacumbe bakere constituency twasabire iga mochema abangina nkorera tole naitwa baraitwarerire inchomo namnango kwana iga nasalia mali abwata around 150 aswete igo mali ana ire tetali medali togo sabango toko ye togo sabayo moyeno soke muna mokoli gichikura nabo igo bono soka talinga ki akura chire mochega mutu
Chinga kiechicho abarai be county ya Kisii bakuru onombo deputy governor Omoske Elijah Obebo nigo baikira na sense meyu asebali irabuna nigechire yera chake kwaga chubuya
Meronge 5 chama nyoli gari togenda se forest yane onyore bisigisa byonzi pi noiweta bantu baminto ojakira bono none na inuga iga ojake kupima elina bantu bajake kuagacha onto tayora jane konye moyende moyo onyende moyo na zimbo ndayora nganye onto wato bole mogaiga ngobono mojaka tole kuagacha bono ikachama ni yetu hamsini
kotini na ameshinda. Angekuja ambia wananchi ameshinda kesi tujue tunawachukua wapi. Lakini kwa hiyo kesi hakuna kitu tunakubaliana. Na kesi county ilirudisha kotini tukashinda tukasema soko ijengwe hapa. Igomwa motondi bwesta hiyo chake kubole mubono bwechiro.
Binadamu wafanywe mambo kama haya hapa nyuma. Inakuaje kwamba leo hii watakuja mipango ifanywe ichomwe peke yake mali nyingine isiguswe. Huo ni ungwana kweli? Hata kama ni kipofu si tunaona. Na tutatora maji. Serikali ya county kiongozwa na Mheshimiwa Paul Simbarati. Mbale kama tuupone kwa soida ndege hii. Ngoikara tukono wara. Erebu yako serebu. Maombi asubuhi na mapema nora. Wale wote wamepata janga, wamepata shida hii yote. Number 1, hoteli tunafagia hapa. Hii mabaki yote takataka hii tunatoa hii wamechoma. Hapa ngine yote jikilia mangananya.
Sasa wako ni matunda. Na ile ni bono maminanyo lege tete. Na iteko kia kulio mono, kuno ngalibo monchari. Na nchina kinata yeleka kuikanga ichaiga ndela mona iwe. Mbobe na kolile. Ona sengi ichaba ibade la kwanila. Mate bilenga kerokende gaseta ka immediately. Na ichemule mulende gongo tela na ito ikambe ko koboko na tembe sumali ya 20,000 shillings. We support you. We can use Kiribia no Nabiale, Egera, to wait on Alcohol and Arabia.
Mujumbo kitutu cha Chesao Tomoske Anthony Kibagendi ritukolia rero nigaira chinga kigosanga nabo igokwerera amagenderera akorera abantu be constituency iyo. Kibagendi bo igona kwanira iguru yogo konga kwigarama y'ubugima asabulia abakenya bonsi kumubwatisi ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i asobochori bugocha no muri kyo ito uyumanyikana na Gabriel Nyakundi na mange iguru yengane iyo.
Mbunge w'ebunge ya Kitutu cha South County ya Kisii Anthony Kibagendi litwole rero nigo iralibagalia iyo kwerera mangana ao ya magendero akoreire abananchi bensemo eyo asiboigo aganirie baraboko ba chinga kichingia abarayi bale as abisi nigo alengeko yakwana as umuyigabu muchango uko yichangira ekanisa ya St Monica Kiamwasi.
For the support you gave me to become your member of parliament. Kuna mwangete gasi, mumaete gasi ngokora through our roads that we have rehabilitated. A bursary, ero montongo nyorare. This time round, a bursary ya TVET, ya technical teachers training colleges na KMTC. Na nero kaya chereriru, ekosoka kuchakera tariki 10. However, secondary schools and all the universities, all our children have gotten their bursaries. We have tried to rehabilitate our roads. Our roads are in a slightly better condition. We may not be able to do all the roads at once. Lakini, ntokwate resources inkego, chiokoros chipara chirichikoros yunakera. Eche constituency. Echile igochire county. Ne county nero, talina nebwate chipesera asikoros chipara chionsi at the same time. That is why they have priorities in every financial year.
Nigobo ameintana kugania abagusi gochicha amo iri kumubwatisia umuske Fred Okengo Matiang'i asiganga yayo kuligia urai wense asatebire nigo serikali yabono nigo ere embemono
parliament igo mogo totoma tochiko bakongerio bogimago tochiko bororobia na kiko batebeliga se bali mogo somebu. If you read Proverbs 29 chapter 2, when the righteous are in power, the people rejoice. When the wicked are in power, and that is why Kenyans all over the country are crying. We made a mistake in 2022 to elect a president who would winked us, that he would bring us from the bottom to the top. He, however, got into power and it drove him crazy. He started taxing us kiholela. He has messed up our health system. He has messed up the education system. He has messed up the economy. And that is why today, here and now, I want to ask the people of Kiamwasi, na Bugetutu Chache South Yonsipi, tubuaterane 2027 tunyare korenta mabadilika sense ikote kunyare kana kubuaterana tole tokanye Matiang'i malenga male tayari kubuaterana si Matiang'i kubuaterana tole wanataka Fred akuje to fix this country, to fix the economy, fix health, fix education, and fix everything else that has been messed by the one and only Kasongo.
Ripoteria egetaseni bwanjite kyanda gikumi kegatembe kurwanse bunge ya Kitutu cha South County ya Kisii iritariane Nyakonde Gabriela.
Muwaziri omukuru bw'obulendi Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i otebire buna nagendete okora chinkwana n'abananchi kuru chinsemo ao cha Kenya. Matiang'i niga atebire buna niga abakenya bange babwata obororo ikirege kwirira bange bachia kurobekana. Niga aburiria barayibara se serikali kwanikinga okora bale chinkwana n'abananchi ba Kenya.
I know some of these wonderful people who are in government. I have worked with some of them before. I do not want to believe that the problem they have is capacity. It isn't capacity. I know some of them. They are smart people. I think they understand the country. Sometimes we get very surprised when we see the things they talk. Because we know them. We know what they can do. They are capable. So we are encouraging them. We don't want to criticize them. We want to encourage them to stand up, rise up, crank together and get some work done. And then carry the burden, sometimes the pleasurable burden of leadership with dignity and grace, and stand out for the country now. So mimi kwa maoni yangu, that's why you have noticed I'm not focusing so much on talking about siasa and stuff like that. I mean, which siasa are you talking about? 19 people dead. That's what the Kenya Human Rights Commission says. So many injured, businesses destroyed. If you look at the looting that was done around, I wonder, finally, let me say this, and I'm saying this with absolute sincerity. I have been moving around, talking to people. I go to, meet people. Look here, I am in charge here today, sitting with these leaders. The level of bitterness and anger down below in the country is unprecedented. I have not seen that before. Now, to imagine that there's nothing wrong and carry on as if it's business as usual, honestly, you have to be a very strange person. We are asking our brothers and sisters, and then, as I said, this is a patriotic moment. This is a time for the country. And what is being called upon now, it's also a leadership moment. Let's stand up and do the right thing for our country. And it cannot be based on excuses, some of them lovable. And in saying so, we are saying this is a patriotic moment. It's a moment for all of us to cross ranks. Wacha tuweke kando hata hiyo mambo ingine yote, siasa nini. We're talking about uchaguzi is 25 or 26 months away. Our country must survive first, and we must be a stable nation before we get there. So let us not even stop talking about those businesses, about elections and stuff like that. Focus on the stability of the country, the welfare of our children. Tuongee sisi wote pamoja. I don't understand why this is it's so difficult. And then when a problem has happened, accepting that we have a challenge does not make you less important, does not take away the power of your office, does not make you a small person. We are human beings. You can actually make mistakes, and then things can go wrong. And if they have gone wrong, the right thing to do is to step forward and say, hey, good people, we think something is not going the right way. Can we now speak? I mean, the Bible is the most quoted text, even by our leaders in government. That same Bible says, come now, let us reason together. It's time for reasoning together for the purpose of ensuring that our country is going the right direction.
Abagusiba buli gochamo na gukwana neryo gierimo nigo ayakwanu asomoye gwe kanisa ya St Monica Kiamwasi ime ya Kitutu Central Ward yere ime ye constituency ya Kitutu Chache South noyo kabeire osoyo ligitikero kyobo MCA ime wodi Joshua Rinobegi seboigo abuli abasaye kubwate bibanda sobonge osibobo cholyo bonene.
Fika hapa kama viongozi na kiongozi wa eneo hili la Kitutu Central Ward ili kuhakikisha kwamba tunasukuma gurudumu ya kazi ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Tumefika hapa leo kwa ajili ya mchango wa kanisa letu la Kiamwasi, parish iko hapa. Na ombi langu ni kwamba tushirikiane kama watu wetu wote, haswa sisi watu wa eneo hili la Gusii region, tushikane pamoja kwa maana vile dunia yetu inaonekana na vile mambo yanavyoenda inaonekana tusiposhikana pamoja kama jamii, inaonekana kwamba hata kwa kazi mambo ya maendeleo kama haya yametuleta hapa siku ya leo na mambo mengine ya mashule watoto wetu itakuwa ni vigumu sana. Kwa hivyo ombi langu kwa watu wetu wote pamoja na viongozi wa eneo hili ni kwamba tushikamane pamoja, tukuje pamoja, tupendane kwa ajili ya ile kazi ambayo iko mbele yetu, na tushirikiane ili tuweze kuhakikisha kwamba wakati unapowadia vijana wetu ambao wameonekana kuwa na ghadhabu sana na uongozi unaoendelea katika nchi yetu wapate kushika kura zao vizuri na wajitokeze inapofika wakati wa kupiga kura hizi. Hayo ni yale tu tunayoomba watu wetu, na tukimtarajia Mwenyezi Mungu aweze kutujalia. Asanteni sana.
Monchorole bw'ikimask oyo manyikanisa buna Boniface Kariuki Mwangi oyo wagetwe embunde kitariki 12 omutinyo yegakinga ki amandamano a GNZ igoro yogoitwa kwaye oyo kabeiro mwalimu manyikanisa buna Albert Ojwang nigo bono abeira senseme ICU asikeketambe igoro butuko nigabanya gitari baigete ko batebeti familia abo ngabono abuaye nigo bogendete ko basaka nkigima ekiagero bongo buae tayari buakule kusitipuliko kolegasi.
We received a call at around midnight. It was at around 12:47 midnight from the hospital itself. They needed to have a brief with us, and we have already received the brief. We have been told what is happening, and the reality of the things, what is happening is that Boniface Mwangi Kariuki is confirmed to be brain dead. So that's where and how far we are. The hospital bill now is quite higher. We are at 3 point something now. So we are praying and hoping now for the well-wishers, because now when somebody has been confirmed brain dead, we know what it means. So the brainstem of Boniface Mwangi Kariuki, it's not working any longer. So for all the well-wishers, we as the family of Boniface Mwangi Kariuki, we cry upon you, because a lot of hopes and promises were being given to us, but none has come through. So on behalf of that, we were given a pay bill for the medical bill fund, whereby is 7682-551 account. It's your name, and the name that it will reflect out of that pay bill, it's Boniface Mwangi Kariuki Medical Fund. So hapo ndipo tuko. Thank you.
Mwanchura botyo ruwa Boniface rumwe cyane mononongo kurire kyonga cinsa inye litukeliga lya rero byamona so gusangana intukuru twarenga gucyakira cinsa ibire nabo igasensemerie gikaro tumirana Jumapili ende asomoro biri buno yoiga kwa niaba y'abaminto bonse abatwa bwaterene kone kinga kwa nyorera manganaya nabo igo akerekemo asenchirere ya kigima ensemeria ya transmission mbyamono minto kariri havila amo na matundura tush senseme bimanyiririo igakuruka nga vena nyaboke chendoke authentic Denis Orutwensi asobwamo twagotebiringa keep it getembe nabo igo twarogo tukubuya ne wiki ya ego chaka.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura chabirigiriye amabati andonsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemire mu ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabonelia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyaraka bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyareka bagokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwe kasure asobwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.